In Russian Belgorod, there was an evacuation of over 3,000 people due to the risk of explosion. One of the 2 bombs that fell from the Russian sky is still buried in the ground and hasn't exploded, yet. So Russians are dropping bombs on their own cities and then evacuate them. No wonder they are stuck in Ukraine. And something is burning in Moscow Oblast. Again. Or maybe they are electing a new pope, we don't know. Another Russian soldier testifies. People are sent to be slaughtered like cannon fodder. Every day young guys die and no one takes their bodies. We have been under shelling for a month now. We are becoming very few. Out of a group of 65 people, 23 remain. We are sitting in the damp earth. We have not washed for a month. Torn. Dirty. The evacuation of the wounded is very poor. In case of refusal to go to death, they threaten us with execution. Mobilized from other groups run away from here. But we can't. Our fellow countrymen put machine guns to our backs. Complains a Russian army soldier who is now near Avdiivka, the village of Vodyani. It is the Wagnerian prisoners who cannot complain about bad conditions. Those who fight under the Ministry of Defense, both mobilized and former prisoners, experience the same adventures. They are handed over to the DPR militias, who do not feel sympathy for the Russians and are thrown to the slaughter without sparing them. So this former prisoner from Syktyvkar IK-25 signed a contract with the state. They promised 215,000 salaries and a pardon, but it turned out a little different. We have no contracts, no soldiers. No one knows where the passports are. Abandoned without support from the army. Our group is called Storm Z, but no one knows who leads it. Guys die every day. No one takes their bodies away. Under shelling for a month. There are no payments. The fighter complains.
Рваные, грязные. Эвакуация раненых производится очень плохо.
A Russian ammunition depot was destroyed by the artillery of Tactical Group Atom. The Ukrainian BTR-4 Bucephalus easily crosses the river.
Пиздец.
And Ukrainian M113 is driving through the mud. When you have nothing to do, it's not bad to have some fun.
Ні, ну звідси я, блядь, його не в'єм. Хіба що, блядь, пісюна йому дати. Чуєш, в очі дивись!
And here is Putin-Jugend. We must realize how deep the propaganda poisoning is in Russia. I feel really sorry for these children. Look what the Russians have done to Bakhmut. This is what Ruski Mir or Russian peace brings.
Валихан, я Леонидович, прием.
На прийомі. Леонидович, на прийомі.
Валихан, 2 человека з третього організму. Це ті, які тільки ж я. Понял, да, тут? На старом місці. Все, мы работаем.
To tears. The defender returned from the war and first of all went to his daughter's school.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.